Hey guys, so how to record camera in Camtasia Studio 8. First we're gonna go to the Camtasia Studio 8. Actually, if you don't have a Camtasia Studio 8, just download it. So fast. In 5 minutes, it's done. So like that. Then I actually use that. So you can use an effect here. And then, so if you're done going to Camtasia Studio, go to more right here. And then we have right here is second camera, it's a little pop. Like that. Like that. And it will load. So just like that. So lastly, you see me here. See here that we used to play my special assignment. So I actually used it in the that. And if you want to start recording, just click this one. And then you're gonna just click stop recording. And in here, have this the file. So that's it. So thanks for watching.